at the when I was searching for face yoga teacher training course, and there are so many are there in the Instagram. So I was literally not sure, but I thought let me go with the yoga kulam. So on the first day, ma'am, you asked us like, you are you excited or not? So we were excited, but still, we don't know about the academy. We joined for the first time, so there was a little doubt. But as we continued, I felt that my decision was so correct to connect with the yoga kulam, and the way academy is conducting the classes and giving the recordings and going through the presentation, and also that we can gain confidence in ourselves, like later we can conduct our own classes. And the course was designed so well, no, we didn't felt like it is too hard, or we can't do it or something. And it also depends on the teacher also, like because of you, ma'am, we were excited from the first day till today, like okay, now today what we are going to learn. And you handled us so well, so patiently, you explained everything so easily, no, like it was really smooth, like we didn't realize that 15 days are over. So now I'm thinking, now from tomorrow what I'm going to do, because now it is like a part of our life, joining with you, seeing you and talking to you. So it's really good. And also one thing I want to share, like on the first day also I told that I wanted to go for yoga, but I was not sure whether I should go or not. But you explained so well about the yoga, like it's not just the posture, it's a way of living. So now I am thinking that I should go for 200 hours, and I should go in the yoga, and I should learn more about this. And during this course, like the breathing and all, whatever exercise we did, no, so I have become like more calm, and my awareness is there in the present moment. I understood the importance of breathing and all. So now, so many changes came in our own self and in our life, how we handle the situation. Even that, I can feel so many positive changes in myself. So thanks to the academy, Yoga Kulam Academy, thanks to you, and thanks to the course designing so well. So thank you. Thank you.